Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a great investment opportunity. 10 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, 3-story house on half-acre land in the upscale community of Coral Gardens, Montego Bay, St. James. The property has a swimming pool and breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. The lush greenery, which surrounds and the environs of Coral Gardens, Iron Shore, and Rose Hall. The property has great rental income potential and just needs a bit of TLC. Located minutes from shopping, medical care, beaches, and all other major amenities in and around Iron Shore and Rose Hall. The airport is just 12 minutes away. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 480,000 or Jamaican $73.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.